That's all that's in there. Let's get it in there right. I don't understand why the boxes always have shitty handling of their left and right. And that's kind of annoying. Okay, that's my straight blade. I have to put you down for a second. Okay. Crap, sorry. Not safe for work box. Nice box. Yes, I'll have plastic on it. That's kind of annoying. Okay. Come on. There we go. Says up to 9 players. Torture bunnies. Nothing inside. It's a really nice box for an expansion deck. Just unfortunate because that box will probably never be used again, as there's enough room in the primary box. I can reach that. Yeah, that's